Hello webmasters, domainers, and internet marketers. Welcome to another tutorial video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to search for bulk domains at GoDaddy. This is probably the best bulk domain search tool for free, and you can create an account with GoDaddy for free. It gives you the searching power of 2,000 domains at a time, and you can even import an Excel file or just enter it in right here as a text list. So I already have some domains ready. So these are just words with AI, a dash and AI, and you have to import your own list though, and it'll search in bulk. So I have 999 items. Just paste it there, and by default it will search for .com. And if you want to select other extensions, and you can do .com, .net, but like I said, as default it searches for .com, so I'll just uncheck or leave everything as unchecked as default. Click here to search, and this is one of the best domain or bulk search tool because it works so fast. That was real time. There it is, everything is checked, and by default it shows you all available, which includes the premium domains as well in the marketplace, so you don't want to be messing around with that. For example, here this domain is $4,400. You only want available domains, so click here, new registrations, which shows only the available domains at registration prices. So these are new domains right here. So in this example there are 289 available domains, and you can even export this list of all the available domains right here, export right there, and download. So you can go here and check the ones you want to register, or you can even click the add to cart button to add them to cart. So pretty easy to use. So here let's try to add this one, and one item's added to your cart. Alright, let's go back, and by default this is your list that you just added. And let's go to the select extensions, and now let's try to do .org, .net, and down here are the other non-common extensions that you can choose from. There are hundreds, and you can click here, search for your extensions like .coffee and .cloud and other country codes. So I'll just do the .org, .net, and let's search. And again, this is happening really fast right here in real time. This is why GoDaddy is the best in terms of bulk domain searches for free. Once again, let's click on new registration. There are 1,640 available domains for the .org and .net, so you can browse through your list. Alright guys, so that's how you easily search for bulk domains with GoDaddy. It is fast and free, and I'll leave the link down below for this bulk GoDaddy domain search. Thanks again. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy domaining.